In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication on X, formerly Twitter, so you can add an extra layer of security to your account in just a few minutes. This is one of the best things you can do to protect your profile from unauthorized access, especially if you use X regularly for business, personal branding, or news updates. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your X account on the app or on a web browser. Once you're inside your account, look at the left-hand side menu. You'll see several options there, and the one you want to click is More. This opens up additional settings and account tools. After you click More, a menu will appear. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the important account controls, including privacy, security, and account access options. Next, inside Settings and Privacy, find and click Security and Account Access. This section is specifically designed for protecting your account and managing login-related features, so this is exactly where we need to be. Once you're in Security and Account Access, click Security. This will open up the security settings for your account, where you can manage login protection, password controls, and authentication methods. Now look for two-factor authentication and click it. This is the feature that adds an extra step when you sign in, making your account much more secure. Instead of relying only on your password, X will ask for a second verification method, which helps prevent unauthorized logins even if someone gets your password. At this point, you'll usually see the available two-factor authentication methods. Depending on what's available on your account, you may be able to choose from Authentication app, text message, or security key options. If you want the strongest protection, an Authentication app is generally the best choice. If you want something quick and easy, text message verification may be simpler, but it is usually less secure than an Authenticator app. Go ahead and choose the method you want to use, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If X asks you to confirm your password, enter it to verify that it's really you. Then complete the final steps, such as entering a code from your phone or app and saving your changes. Once you finish, your account will have two-factor authentication turned on, which means every time you log in from a new device, X will ask for that extra verification step. That small extra step makes a huge difference in account security. If you ever want to check or change your security settings later, just repeat these same steps. Click More, go to Settings and Privacy, then Security and Account Access, then Security, and finally two-factor authentication. And that's it. You've now set up two-factor authentication on X. A quick setup like this can help protect your account from hackers, phishing attempts, and unwanted access. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.